Education is our passport to future. For tomorrow belongs to the people who work for it today. Namaskar, I am Piyush Karan Singh, alumni of Cambridge International School, Kullu. I passed out in year 2015 and our batch happens to be the first batch which passed out from this prestigious institution. Friends, currently I am a final year law student. Now, before we proceed further, I would like to say that Cambridge is not just a school. In my view, it is part of our character and personality. So, one should be always proud to be a part of it. Now, as I have got this opportunity today, I will be telling you how you can also get into a law school, and secondly, what are the job opportunities available to a law graduate. To getting into a law school, good law school, I will recommend you should prepare for two exams after class 12th. One is Common Law Admission Test, also called as CLAT. This will get you to the top 19 national law schools in the country. Second is All India Law Entrance Test, ALET, which is conducted by National Law University Delhi every year. Besides this, there are many other exams too. So if you want to know more about that, you can always contact me. Now, coming to the part, what job opportunities are available to one. So as I told you earlier, I'm a final year law student. So the job opportunities that are in front of me is some of them are I can work as an advocate in the court and start my practice. Second, I can sit for the state judicial services exams. Thirdly, I can work as a government advocate. Fourthly, I can work as a public prosecutor. Fifthly, I can work in various national and multinational companies like Google, Flipkart, Amazon, because they also have their legal departments. Legal journalism is another career that one can opt from. Another job opportunity that one can get, that if you always wanted to go into army, there is an option for you to go from the law side, that is through an exam that is called as Judge Advocate General exam, that is called JAG. You can give that and get into army. Besides this, if you don't want to do all this and you are interested in teaching line or academics line, then friends, becoming an academician in law is one of the most prestigious career one can choose from. And among all these opportunities that I told you, there are n number of more opportunities in the field of law that one can opt from. So take out this myth that just doing law will make you eligible to just practice as an advocate. But I told you few of the other opportunities. So if you want to know more about them and you are really interested to get into the field of law, you can always contact me on my email ID, which is piyushkaransingh@gmail.com, and I will try my best to revert you as soon as possible. And for knowing more about this field, contact me as soon as possible. And to conclude this session, friends, we all know about the corona pandemic. So it is an appeal from my side, a request that whatever guidelines and directions are issued by the government, please do abide by them. Do take care of yourself and your family, and special care for your grandparents. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Jai Hind.